Hi there. Come join me for a fun and quick idea to document your holiday memories featuring the newest release from Altenew. So see you in a bit. Hi there, and welcome to a new episode of Inspired by a Card with Natalie. Today we're working with some of the newest release from Altenew, and this is the Festive Ornaments Layer and Die Set, and also the Timeless Sentiments 3 to create a quick and easy idea for your holiday documenting. And my idea is actually based on a card by Rebecca Keppel that I loved, and I thought it was great for what I have in mind. So the layout that you see on the right, I created for the Instagram hop. So I had like a base to start with. So I want to bring some of Rebecca's card into my layout and tie it to the other side. So I'm going to start by actually creating, did you see it, like her card has these nice stripes of like glitter at the top. So I'm going to do the same. And for that, I am using, this is the Garnet Sparkle Glitter Tape. And it's actually one of the ones available in a promotion, but now you can find it in the shop. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create like a corner using the washi tape, but I'm going to trim a piece of it in half, so I have like thinner stripes. I am choosing to just split a little bit more, just add a little bit more interest. So you're gonna see that I'm just putting them in a little angle at the top left corner of my layout. I am using my comfy cut knife to just cut the excess and have that clean look. So once I have that, if you look at the picture that I'm documenting, actually my kids, I bought matching sweaters for all of us for Christmas 2 years ago, and I took pictures of all of them, and that became our card. So there's like gray and red. So I'm going to bring some of the new cardstock. This is Heartbeat Crafty Necessities cardstock, and I'm going to use the Festive Ornaments Layer and Die Set to actually create my ornaments. I'm going to stay with the red and the grays and a little bit of silver for this side of the page. So I'm cutting my bases, that means the circles, out of Heartbeat cardstock, and I'm going to cut the ornate part of it out of the brushed silver metallic cardstock. Now, that's from the left-hand side. It was going to be my title and my journal title. For the right, where I'm going to put the pictures, I'm bringing a little bit of Nimbus because there's a little bit of blue, and I'm bringing some gold too because I'm going to mix that with my title. So I'm going to set all my pieces in place, and I'm going to start building my ornaments. And that's super easy. So like I said, for my title journal page, which is the one on the left, this is my 6x8 album, I am using Heartbeat cardstock for my base, and all my embellish or the ornate of these festive ornaments is going to be out of the brushed silver cardstock. This is all from Altenew. So the way I went is I created two of those swirly ones, and then one of them has like that florally look. So all I'm doing right now is just putting it together. Once I have that, I'm going to bring some of the metallic thread. Again, you find this in the Altenew shop, and I'm actually going to thread, it's going to sound really bad, like some thread, through the hooks of each one of the ornaments, because I want to hang them. If you look at what Rebecca did, she just placed the ornament. I want to hang them because remember, I have already a layout that I want to match. I want to try to tie these two sides together because it tells one single story. So I thought I'm going to hang these ornaments. So I just thread some thread, sorry for the redundant, through the holes of the ornaments, and I want to make sure that they stay on the left hand side of my page. I want to hang them from the top to the bottom. So I'm just going to hold them in place, I'm going to glue them, and then I'm going to kind of pull the string all together and then stick it to one single point on my layout. And I'm not going to go right to the top. I already have that on the other side of the layout. I want to just kind of make sure that it lands right in the center of the stripes. I'm going to help myself with a bow that I have from my stash, and then I'm going to cut the excess. I want the strings to just show like the little curl at the top. Now I'm going to add my title to match up what I have already on the other layout. So I am using the Timeless Sentiments 3 to create this. I am using brush gold metallic cardstock for the shadow, and then I'm going to use, I think it's Dazzling Diamond glitter cardstock for the white part, like the little outline. And I'm choosing the title Shine Bright because I want to actually, bring that. And I'm bringing some gold and some of that shiny white. So there's quite a bit of sparkle and shine on this page. And it's going to take no time because you're using washi tape, because you're using simple layering dies, and it's super simple. So I'm going to place my title, the space that you see on top of it, that's where my Lancer journal are going to go. And then I have the pictures of my kids here. So what I want to do is I want to create something that is going to show what I have on the other side of this pocket page. So for that, I'm going to help myself with 2 3x4 pieces of acetate, and you're gonna see that on this side of the page I'm actually gonna bring a little bit of gold, and I'm using Nimbus, which is one of the new cardstocks at the Alton New shop, because I want to bring some of that bluish gray that was in our sweaters, and the gold because I have the tree on the background, and I also added gold to my title. So I'm going to follow the same idea what I did for my title. So I'm going to add some of the tape to the corners of the 3x4 cards from acetate that I have. Again, I'm going to use one. I'm using, this is, the name of this tape is Garnet Sparkle. And I'm going to use the same way that I did to the title. So have one strip that is full, and I'm going to trim the other one in half, and I'm going to place them at the corner. Once again, I'm going to add thread to my ornaments, and I'm going to hang them from the washi tape. The only thing that you don't see here is because, I cut it by accident, is that I actually added some of the essential sentiments half foil plate. I had some sentiments. I added just little piece of, one says hello and the other one says love. So I just trimmed them out of my hard foil sentiments. I had them ready. And what I did is, I didn't record this part, but I'm actually going to show you what my idea is to tie the two sides together. So you see I have my side, but then when you flip the back of the acetate, then you see the back, you see all those pieces that are not so nice. So I'm actually gonna cover this with other ornaments. So for this, because I have a lot of color on the other side, I actually use Minty Mint for the green ornaments, and I'm using Coral Bliss for the red ones. Something a little bit lighter, something a little bit more festive, because I have a lot of color going on the other layout. I'm using brush gold for this, and again, I'm gonna change the color of the glitter. So I am using, this is the glitter tape for this month's promotion, and this is Turquoise Sparkle, and I'm gonna go the same way. All I am doing is covering the back of the previous ornaments, and at the same time holding the strings that are holding the ornaments together with the washi tape. I'm just gonna glue it, I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna cut the excess so you have that clean, nice look. So you have literally, it looks like ornaments floating inside my pockets. You're gonna see. And I have two different looks in one single page. So this was my idea of tying the two sides or the two layouts in one single page. On the front page, I have my kids, like I said, we bought matching jackets, so I have the single pictures, and on the B side I pulled those and created our family card for the year. Now to finish this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra shine to my title. I am using, these are gem sparkles. This is the Sicilian amber set, just to bring it all together, and that's about it. Like I said, super simple. Washi tape is gonna give you that that color, that shine, the beautiful color cardstock. There's so many to choose from, so you can actually color coordinate to your holiday, and it's super simple. It's a simple layering die set, and having that floating element allows you to tie these two layouts together and gives you plenty of space to just add a little bit of fun to your holiday documenting, if you do so, or your card making, if that's your choice. As always, you can find more details of what I've created in the blog, and also, if you have any comments or questions, don't forget to leave me a comment here or in the blog, and I love to see what you think about this. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beautiful content. See you soon, guys.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Alternate YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!